Noah, its meaning is associated with the idea of rest, comfort, or bring relief. Even the etymology of this name is uncertain. Noah is first mentioned in Genesis chapter 5 as a son of Lamech. In Genesis chapter 6, Noah was the blessed man of the flood in which only he and his family survived. When the flood came, only Noah, his wife, his 3 sons, and their wives were saved in the ark. The flood, extending as far as the human race had spread, which possibly included the entire globe, destroyed all the rest of the human race. Approximately 1 year after the flood began, Noah was told to leave the ark. In response to Noah's sacrifice came the divine assurance that the earth would never again be destroyed in this manner, and that seasonal changes would continue with regularity. Noah became the father of the entire human race. The generation of Shem, Ham, and Japheth dispersed over a wide area as is indicated in chapters 10 and 11 of Genesis. Whether or not Noah had other descendants born to him after the flood is not indicated in the scriptural account. God's covenant was with Noah and his sons. Noah was called to be the originator of vineyard cultivation and as the father of Shem, Ham, and Japheth, the representative head of a Semitic genealogical line. Noah was regarded as a righteous man who is described as blameless or faultless among his contemporaries. This pattern of living issued out of his intimate relationship with God, characterized by the Genesis author as walking with God, and by the author of Hebrews as heir of righteousness. Noah and his sons were commissioned to replenish the earth and to subdue all creatures and vegetation. This covenant was divinely initiated and universal in scope. It applied to all living creatures and was to be everlasting in duration. It was sealed by God by the visible sign of the rainbow. To Noah and his seed came the divine assurance that never again would all flesh be destroyed with a flood. Little is known about Noah in the post-flood 350 years of his life. He died at the age of 950. And that was Noah.